Hey guys, in today's video I will show you how to unblock websites in Google Chrome 2024. So first thing you have to do is open a Google document and go ahead and search for a website that you want to unblock. So for this example, let's say Facebook, and then right click into that and copy link address. Now go ahead to your Google document and press insert, and from the bottom just click the link. And here you have to paste it and apply. So now we have this, so we can search up to many websites. So for this we have YouTube. Just copy link address and do the thing. So now we have the links that we want to unblock, so just have to open that. But before that we have to go to Chrome Web Store. So just search for Google extension store and click the first one that come up, which is the Chrome Web Store. And now search for the VPN. So these are the VPN applications. So just look for the Hola VPN. Just click that and select add to Chrome. After that, just go ahead and search for web.archive.org. And now you can search up to billions of websites in here. So you can search Instagram, Facebook, and many more. And that's how you unblock websites on Chromebook 2024. I hope this video is helpful, and make sure to subscribe and like.